In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do transfers in Monarch Money, step by step. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process, ensuring you feel confident and efficient using Monarch Money for all your financial transactions. First, we'll start by navigating to the Monarch Money platform. Make sure to open your preferred web browser and type in the Monarch Money website. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up to follow along with this tutorial. Once you're logged into Monarch Money, direct your attention to the dashboard. Here, we're going to start by looking for the Add Transaction option. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll be able to manage all your transactions, including making transfers. It's a crucial feature to keep your financial tracking precise and organized. With the transaction dialog open, the next thing you'll want to do is type in the amount you'd like to transfer. Make sure you enter the correct amount. This field is usually labeled clearly, but remember, double checking never hurts. Accurate figures ensure that your budget and tracking reflect reality. After entering the amount, you'll need to add or type in the merchant's name. This step is important for keeping your records clear and ensuring you can easily search and manage your transactions in the future. Whether it's for personal records or tax time, clarity is key. Now, let's move on to selecting the date of the transaction. Click on the date field and a calendar should appear. Choose the accurate date on which the transaction took place or will take place. It aligns your records accurately to avoid any confusion. Next, you'll need to select the account from which the transfer will be made. Monarch Money will provide a list of your accounts. Pick the right one to maintain proper tracking of your funds. Following that, it's time to categorize the transaction. Choose an appropriate category to help you track your spending habits and financial management. Whether it's groceries, entertainment, or bills, assigning a category will give you insight into your spending patterns. Another important aspect is setting a goal. This optional step can be very beneficial if you're working towards specific financial objectives. Assigning a transaction to a goal can keep you motivated and aware of your progress. Feel free to add notes to your transaction. Notes are a handy tool for jotting down any specifics you might need to remember later. It's especially helpful for future reference or explanations. Lastly, you can use the search tags feature. Tags are a great way to further categorize transactions for more precise tracking and searching. Use terms that make sense to you and will assist in narrowing down your transaction list in the future. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough of transferring funds using Monarch Money. With these steps, you should be well equipped to handle your financial transactions with ease and clarity. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments. Happy budgeting!